Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing and review of Redmi 9 Prime smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Xiaomi. Okay, now quickly unbox the phone. Okay, so in top we get this small box. Okay, let's see what we get inside it. If we open it, here we get the SIM ejector tool. Okay, and this is the reading manual. Keep this aside. And this is the transparent TPU case. Here you can see this is the transparent TPU case. And guys, here's the phone itself. Here you can see, here's the phone itself. It is in sky blue color. Here you can see. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so here we get the USB type C cable. You can see here we get the USB type C cable, which is a really good thing. And here we get a charger. And if we talk about its output rating, you can see it will give you 5 volt 2 ampere. Guys, unfortunately this is not a fast charger. Okay, so that's all we get in the box. Let's keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover, and you can see this is the phone. Okay guys, I would like to say the phone feel and look is really very good. Here you can see the phone feel and look is really very good. It's somewhat texture over and back. It feels really very good. Sky blue color looking awesome. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the eye blaster main microphone, and on this side we get the volume up and down and power key, and on bottom we get the main speaker, USB type C port, and this is the dual microphone over there available, which is a really very good thing. And this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, this is a really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card with the dedicated micro SD card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Okay, and on back here you can see quad rear camera setup. Here you can see quad rear camera setup, 13 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and flash over there. And this is the fingerprint sensor over there. You can see this is the fingerprint scanner on rear mounted available. Here you can see fingerprint scan over there, and in front it has 8 megapixel front camera over there in water drop notch display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio G80 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD screen. If we talk about the internal storage variant, it has 128 4 and 64 4GB internal storage variant available. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the rear camera, it has quad rear camera, 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with depth sense. And if we talk about the front camera, it has 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. And if we talk about the battery, it has a 5020 mAh battery which supports 18 watt fast charging. And it also has eye blaster and software is Android 10 running on MIUI 11. And if we talk about the security, it has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock for better security. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of Redmi 9 Prime smartphone. If we slide from top, we get the notification center, a helpful quick setting and brightness adjustment feature is available over there. And if we slide from bottom, we get the Google Assistant. And if we slide from left, we get the Google feedback. And guys, I would like to say many bloatware are installed, but you can easily uninstall it like this. Just tap on uninstall to uninstall the bloatware. Okay, Guys, I like to say the display is very vibrant. It has 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD screen, and it is really very vibrant. Okay, now quickly go to setting and check how much storage we get out of 64 GB. Okay, so here if we go in storage, so here you can see available space is 49.8 GB out of 64 GB, and this is the system storage 12.8 GB, and here's the cleaner feature available, which is a really good thing. Clear junk file with the help of cleaner. And if we talk about the Android security patch level, you can see if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 5.7/2020. And if we go in all specification, here we get the all specification, device name, MIUI version, Android security patch level, RAM, model number, CPU which is octa-core, maximum 2 GHz, baseband version, kernel version, and here's the internal storage showing you 49.8 GB available out of 64 GB. And if we go in status, here we get the battery status, battery level. Here we see the phone number of SIM slot 1 and 2, and this is for SIM status. Okay, now quickly check its camera performance. It has quad rear camera setup. So if we talk about the camera UI, if we slide from left, we get the video mode, short video mode, and slow motion mode. And if we slide from right, we get the portrait and pro mode. Okay, and if we tap on top over here, we get the settings, camera frame, timer, tilt shift, grid lines, straighten, and macro is also available, and Google Lens feature is also available there. Okay, so the focus and shoot feature is available, which is a really good thing. And if we go in video, so guys, it records up to Full HD. Okay, no 4K video recording availability, it records up to Full HD. Okay, now quickly go to photo, and if we tap here, this is the ultra wide camera, and this is the main camera, and this is with 2x optical zoom. Okay, now quickly take a photo and check its camera performance. What is the quality of the camera? Okay, it captures really very fast. Guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. You can see the camera quality is really good. Little exposure, but the camera quality is really good. You have seen the little exposure in photo, but if we talk about the camera quality, it is really good. If we talk about the color rendering, it render natural color. And if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo quality. You can see we didn't lose the photo quality. Okay, now let's check this out in ultra wide camera. The capture speed is really very fast. Guys, ultra wide camera is not so good. I would like to say it is average. Quality is not good, it is average. You can see the ultra wide camera quality is average. Okay, now quickly go back. So, and if we check it in AI camera mode, let's check this out. The AI camera mode is brilliant. Here you can see the AI camera mode is really brilliant. If we zoom in, we didn't lose the details of photo. You can see the AI camera mode is really very brilliant. And if we check in Pro Color mode, let's check this out. some bluish effect over there, you can see, but it captures really good photo. Here you can see. It is an indoor light condition, and this is the live photo review. I am giving you live photo review. Here you can see. So guys, I would like to say camera quality is good. The camera quality is good. And now quickly check its fingerprint and face unlock performance. If we talk about its fingerprint performance, here you can see I put the finger and it unlock, I put and it unlock, I put and it unlock, put, unlock. Really very fast. It is really very fast and responsive, you can see. The fingerprint performance is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Here you can see. Okay, let's check this in another way. I'm not seeing, a C and it unlock. Okay, now phone C and it unlock. Okay, so guys, the fingerprint and face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive, I would like to say. The fingerprint performance is really very fast and responsive of this smartphone. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Redmi 9 Prime smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.